In Typefi Writer 8.7.4, we wanted to give you full end-to-end control over font nuances in your publications. It's not uncommon for documents in Word to be typeset using default fonts like Calibri, while InDesign might have a template with completely different fonts that don't necessarily have the intelligence built in to automatically go from a bold, as we can see in this case, the template has been defined with bold formatting, but the words that are in black do not automatically know to use a heavier font, like a heavy or a black variation, to get the expected results. So, how did we choose to solve this issue in 8.7.4? Well, one of the things that we've done is we've made it very easy for you to find all instances of local formatting in your document, where local formatting is anytime you've gone ahead and clicked a button to apply bold or italic or underline, or maybe you prefer to use keyboard shortcuts. So now in the Document Explorer, you will see a new category called local formatting that will show you all of the instances of local formatting in your document. And in case you want to go into more detail, you can also see that we've identified situations where local formatting has been applied specifically to a paragraph style, like in this case our heading 2, or further on our heading 3s that also have had bold fully applied. Right? So the new local formatting category helps you identify these instances of local formatting. But how do you go ahead and actually replace them? Well, that's where the Replace button, either in the Document Explorer or up here on its own next to the Explore Document button, will allow you to go ahead and find these instances and then replace them. So let's start by a targeted replacement. First, let's go ahead and take that heading 2 that we saw earlier with its application of bold local formatting, and let's go ahead and choose a bold headings character styles that we've created that will apply the black font to that portion that we selected. So we're going to replace that, and that is going to take care of that issue. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to do another targeted replacement, and we want to remove the bold that has been applied by the author so that only the bold defined in the template remains. So here you can see that we can choose to replace with nothing, which effectively will remove this instance of bold. And then we can go ahead, once we've done this, we can go ahead and do a general replacement of all of the instances of local formatting in our document. Now, for the sake of expediency, I've already gone ahead and done that in an example behind the scenes, which I have ready for you right here, and where we can now see that this issue has been resolved. Avoid formatting surprises and get control of your font styling from start to end with the local formatting replacement, new in Typefi Writer 8.7.4.